I'm at Central Texas College. Today I'm going to be teaching the different types of shapes for first graders. So learning shapes, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up here on the board that we will be learning today. We will be learning the circle, trapezoid, hexagon, rectangle, rhombus, triangle, square, and oval. Now, these are on your worksheet, but without the names. Your goal right now is to put the names up on each of these, and then I will be giving you these and note cards, which all 8 will be on. Your job is to, on the back of the note card, when I erase all of this, to write the name of each one of these and then turn it in for grading. Now, identifying shapes can come pretty easy once you get the hang of it. For example, there are 3 angles to this shape. Therefore, this shape is a triangle, because a triangle has 3 angles and 3 sides. However, these 2 have 4 angles and 4 sides, but they're not the same shape. The difference between these 2, the square and the rhombus, is that the square has all 90-degree angles and 4 parallel sides, which means all the sides will never touch. So if you go up on this one and up on this one, these 2 sides will never touch. And if you go that way with both of these 2 will never touch. The difference here on the rhombus is that it does have 4 parallel sides. Well, 2 parallel sides, we'll go 2 parallel sides, so this side and this side will never touch, and this side will never touch. But all angles are not 90 degrees. This angle and this angle are the same, and this angle and this angle are the same. But all 4 of them do not match as they do in the square. A hexagon, you can identify by seeing that there are 6 sides to the hexagon. Hex equals 6. So this is the hexagon. Now, the trapezoid only has one parallel side. So this side and this side will never touch, but these two will. So that, if it makes an X, it's not parallel. It also has 4 angles like the square and the rhombus. This angle and this angle are the same, and this angle and this angle are the same, but they do not equal 90 degrees. So all angles do not equal 90 degrees. So the difference between the trapezoid, rhombus, and square is the square has all 90-degree angles, the rhombus has 2 parallel sides but not 90-degree angles, and the trapezoid has 1 parallel side and no 90-degree angles. A hexagon has 6 sides, and a triangle has 3 sides. 3 angles and 6 angles as well. That is how you identify the shapes that are on your desk right now. As for the shapes that will be on your note cards, you have these 3, which will make 8 shapes in all. This is your circle. Your circle has no sides, well, no angles. Which makes it a perfectly round shape. Now this one is your oval. The difference between the circle and the oval is while they both have no angles, the oval is longer in some areas and shorter in others. Well, this one is perfectly round. Lastly, you have your rectangle, which your square and your rectangle are very similar. The differences here is while all angles are equal to 90 degrees, the rectangle is like the oval in the sense that the 2 parallel sides on the rectangle equal each other, but are not the same all around. So your parallel sides are the same length. So, if this side were to equal 2 and this side were to equal 1, since the parallel sides are the same length, this is parallel to this, so this would equal 2. This is parallel to this, so this would equal 1. A circle is perfectly round, and an oval is not perfectly round. Your square, if this side equals 2, all sides are equal to each other. So this side would equal 2, this side would equal 2, and this side would equal 2. That is the difference between your rectangle and your square, and your circle and your oval. Now, would this be a circle or an oval? It's hard to tell, but these sides here have a longer distance apart than these sides here do, which would make it an oval. And this will be on your worksheet, which is why I'm showing you. Thank you for attending my lesson, and I hope to see you guys again soon.